Welcome back to the channel. I'm bringing up AMC stock. I just want to show this month, I'm just proud of these gains. As you can see, I've made over $2,700 on AMC alone. And this is not by holding, this is by day trading, following a stop loss, and going in and out with shares and just going for 10-cent gains. And you can make some serious money on AMC. So I just wanted to show you that AMC I'm doing very well at, and this is a stock that I trade every single day. Now let's get into the chart and let's see what the game plan is for tomorrow. All right, so looking at AMC, I'm going to bring up the 1 month chart so we can look at the overall trend. And as you can see that AMC is trading on a downtrend. So it has gone from anywhere from like $40 down to $20. And now it is starting to make new highs. But the EMA line at $33, it tested it and it's going back down now. So we always got to follow stop losses with this stock, and you always want to be careful and make sure that you're not holding the bag. I currently have no shares, and I don't hold shares of AMC ever overnight because I've gotten burned too many times doing that. So the way I day trade AMC is I try to buy the lows, or if it has momentum, I buy. So I made another 360 on them today. Actually, I made 460 on them in both accounts. And the way I did it was I was riding the momentum up in the morning. And with AMC, when it gets on a streak and starts riding and going up, I try to just go in and out and scalp gains. But you have to be very careful because if you see here, when I was buying up here at this $30 range, if I would have held, it would have sold all the way off down to $28, and I would have been down so much money. So you have to follow your stop loss, and whatever your gain is, you have to have in mind what you're going to be your stop loss. So I feel that this is starting to go in a downtrend. I'm looking at the 5-day chart here. I just want to remind everybody that this stock used to be $24, $23. If you go back, it doesn't let me do 10 days, but if you go back even a few days before that, we're in the $20 range. So let's be smart. Let's just keep in mind that this stock can sell off. And we just want to be careful. We don't want to hold the bag because right now the support level double tapped the bottom at $28 and went back up to $29, and now it's settling for $28.6 in the post market. So this is something that we want to watch. Critical level $28. If it sells off from $28, let's look at the last month. Our next support level is going to be at the $27 mark or $26, because in this area right here is where you can see the breakthrough was. So when you look at the chart here, you can see that this was a support level. It broke the $26 and started headed down to the 23s. So let's just be careful. Let's keep that in mind. Tomorrow when we look to day trade this, swing trades are fine, but you just have to follow stop loss and know where your support levels are. And as you can see, this right here would be so I'm going by right here. And you can see right here would be the resistance level. So this will be a new support level around $25.88. So we're just going to round up to $26 to $26.50 as support levels. So we just want to see where it's going to be. We want to prepare for the worst. And obviously if it shows momentum and it starts retesting 29 and going up, then we will obviously try to ride the momentum up. But we want to be prepared when you're buying dips. You want to know where you're buying and where you plan to buy. Because most of trading is being patient and waiting for your entries and then entering when you feel that you have done enough research and believe that you have an idea where this stock is going to go. So if you're wrong, you can cut the loss quick because you knew what your plan was and what you were trying to make, whether it's making 10 cents, 15 cents, 30 cents, and following a stop loss of half that. So it's just something I wanted to bring up. I'm going to be watching AMC tomorrow. If it shows momentum, I will definitely play it. I have a feeling it's going to retest 29, 29.50, but we'll see what happens if it fails. If it fails, I feel like we're going to start heading in the downtrend. And remember, it's December 22nd. There's still people selling to take gains. So you never know. And we don't follow fundamentals on this stock because this stock is, once again, a garbage company that's going to go out of business in the future. It's just a movie theater company. So let's just be realistic about our expectations. But you can make very good money, as I just showed you in the previous video, but you have to follow stop loss at all times.